We are gathered here today to celebrate the matrimony of two individuals that has lasted over 5 decades. Doris and Joe Webb, otherwise known to me as grandmother and grandfather, are no longer known as two separate entities, but as one unit. Their marriage began when they were just adolescents, trapped in lust, and they eloped against their parents' will. Ever since they wed in 1961, they've been inseparable. I say this speech to commemorate my grandparents, for through the midst of turmoil, prejudice, and racism, they've remained happy, and most importantly, in love. I celebrate this moment because it gives me hope that although we as a people are experiencing trying times, there is still someone out there for each one of us. Every time my grandmother speaks, my grandfather finishes her sentences. When my grandfather gets ready for work every night, my grandmother irons his clothing and packs his lunches. These may seem like minute things to you, but the fact that they've done this for each other every single day, over 50 years, speaks volumes. Their love has stood the test of time and triumphed over every obstacle that they've been faced with. Their marriage not only gives me hope, but it gives me strength to overcome any difficulty that I may be faced with in life. Any young woman or young man should look at my grandparents and see that if their significant other has not been sent to him or her yet, that God is out there molding them into the perfect fit. I congratulate this love, and I pray that one day my love, like yours, will remain just as strong to outlast any boundary placed within its grasp. I would like to make a toast to you, grandmother and grandfather, that your love continues to over 50 more years into infinity. Here's to you.